What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you an app where you can literally get paid to answer questions. Very simple. You will always qualify. There's no disqualifying for these questions. They're not even surveys, they're just questions. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, before I get into this video, I want to quickly invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in knowing how to make money online, and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos and don't miss any opportunities to make money. So you see here, my balance is $4.82. All you're doing is answering questions. So I'm going to scroll down and show you this question real quick. You see, here's the question, and right below that in the green, that's how much you get paid. Now that's actually 4 cents, 4.36, but it's basically 4 cents. You get paid to answer the question. Sometimes it might be one question, sometimes it might be three, but I'm going to show you how simple it is. I'm going to click on the question, and you just answer the question right here. This is what it is, and then you just, it doesn't matter what you pick, just pick one. Bam, you get your 4 cents just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna go to the next one. Do you educate yourself history in the prior month? No, I don't. 4 cents right there again. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter what the answer is, just put the answer in the app. You see here again, more questions. I mean, this is continuing to do this pretty much all day, throughout using the app. Is just all questions, not even surveys, and 4 cents again. Now I will show you that there is proof that this site has paid me, but I'm going to continue answering a couple questions just to show you how easy it is. Like, it doesn't get any easier than that. All these are questions. So even if you're somebody who's struggling with taking surveys, this is a survey or an app that I really recommend, because you will never have any problems with this. If you see questions, just answer it. It's very, very simple. Like, they'll give you different topics and things you can answer. And you just put in the answer, and you get paid instantly into your account. Right now, like, sometimes you might have different subjects. Like this in particular is about the LGBT community. I'm just answering the questions and I'm getting paid for it. Very, very simple. It's a lot of them on here, so I'm just kind of finishing them all just through the purpose of this video, and just like that. So you see here, answer all the questions. You can also do a daily action login bonus. So you see here, 3 days you log in. Just continue to do that. Get your 7-day streak up. You can get paid for that as well. So I'm gonna go back up. You can also check in the different places. So real quick, I'm gonna show you my cash outs that I've made so far. You see there, I got $15. I'm scrolling all the way down, showing you all of these cash outs. A lot of them are $15. I think before that I was getting like $50. I'm scroll down to those right there, $50, another $50 payment. So this app, it is legit. It does pay you on time. Now I'm gonna show you the PayPal proof that I got, which is right here. They sent me $15 and they sent it the next day. I didn't even have to wait a long time for the payment. So the app is definitely legit. You're just literally just answering questions. It does not get any easier than that. So you must download this app on your phone, on your iPhone, your Android device. It doesn't matter what it is. Just download it today. All right. Now you see there, I started my balance like $4.80. Now I got $5.22. When it comes to this app, you can cash out at $15. So all you gotta do is get $15 cash out to your PayPal. Very simple. And like, when I saw just saw the questions right there, I mean, the questions pile up very fast throughout the day. Like, you can just really just kind of go through the app, continuously throughout the day and get more and more questions. So you should really cash out $15 every week, if you're really active on the app. So I just want to show you guys that. I want you to download it. The link to it is in the description. You see that it pays. You see how easy it is. You got to get with it. All right. Download the app. If you're interested in knowing how to make even more money online, please visit my website, pennies2000s.com. And that way you can see all the websites and apps that I personally use in order to make $150 a day. All right. Now, if you want to know how to make that kind of money online, book a session, because there is a very special process and step-by-step, routine that you have to go through about doing that. All right. Now, all of the things that I'm going to show you are completely free, but you got to book a session in order to get that info. And if you want to book a session, the link to it is in the description, or you can go to my website, pennies2000s.com, click on the book a sessions tab and get started right there. There's a video that you can watch. It'll show you how to really, how the session is going to go, how I'm going to teach it to you and all of that. You just put in your information and we can get the session started, and you'll be on your way to making $150 every single day. But for the time being, I want you to download this app. Link to it is in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And always remember, every penny counts.